We got electrical.
Celebratory. We have lights. This is the brightest it's ever been in here.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are hopefully finishing electrical. So we've been working on it for like the past, 2 months, it feels like, forever. We've been having issues with certain parts that we needed that we couldn't get, so we were waiting on that. And finally, we are to the point where we're starting to hook everything up. Either today we will have it hooked up and be able to test it, or Monday for sure it will be turned on. So we are very excited about that. It just depends. We are in Michigan, and here it starts getting dark around 4:30-ish, so we don't really have that much time, and we kind of have a lot of things to do today. So today we are going to finish hooking up our 30 amp inlet. We have to do a hole for that and hook that up to our inverter. We have to hook up the negative side of our setup, our charge controller, and then drill the hole for the ground and for the solar. So those are some things we have to do today before we can hook everything up and test it out. We are about to head to Home Depot right now because we are going to get the steel bolts for the grounds, as well as we are going to be getting a fire extinguisher in case anything goes wrong, and we're also going to be getting a fire alarm to put up top by the solar in case anything happens. We'll be alerted. So that is our goal. We'll show you guys our setup and what we have going on. We're hoping we get it set up today because that'd be such a game changer. But if we don't today, for sure Monday will be the day. All right, so this is kind of what we have going on. We have our batteries here, which are 200 hours, and we have 200 amp hours, and we have 6 of them. They're gonna connect. The positive is gonna come out here, go into our 400 amp fuse, which also has a shut-off switch, which goes into our inverter. We have another positive line coming up, going into a fuse, which goes into our positive bus bar, which then goes into our AC DC distribution, which that actually goes into our DC side, and there's a shut-off switch there. And then we'll also have our charge controller, which will have a positive line come out, go through that 150 amp fuse, and go into our positive bus bar. Negative all goes into here, and then this gets the charge controller gets a ground, inverter gets a ground, and this shunt here for the negative side gets a ground as well. And that's pretty much our setup system. We'll have our solar lines coming up there and going into there. That comes out. And yeah, we have our shunt, that, and then this is our 6-3 wire, which comes out and is going into our AC side. And then over here we're gonna have our 30 amp inlet, which comes out and goes into our AC in, and this is our AC out. And that's pretty much the setup. We have it connected from the inlet over there. That comes through and gets connected into the AC in and AC out. And everything else is connected, so we just need to do a ground from this right here that goes down, a ground from here that goes down, and a ground from there that goes down. And then to hook up, drill a hole back there and have the cords come from the solar into there. And put a fuse and a turn off switch as well. And then we can turn it on. We can hook up all the batteries, hook up the solar, and turn it on.
Heat it up.
Just wanted to point out that electrical is scary, and we're not electricians, and this is just from the research that we've done ourselves and what we have found works for what we need here in the bus for us to live comfortably. We also have a skilled electrician who lives in one of the tiny homes next to us, so he is definitely helping us so much, making sure that everything looks correct, that our setup is correct, and that our equipment's correct, our wire sizing is correct, and our fuses and all that stuff. So it definitely helps. A lot of this stuff I've just done research on through online and all of that good stuff, but it does definitely help give you a peace of mind to have someone who knows what they're talking about to come and check and to make sure that your work is correct, especially if you're not an electrician like myself. Switch to turn on is the inverter on switch. Alright, now turn that on. Yep, inverter on. Alright, now we can turn on that switch up there. And we should have power to, yep, so we're getting
turned on.
So we're getting that red light there because we don't have a fuse there. No fire signs. Nothing on fire. I don't hear anything on inside.
Something turned on.
Maybe it was the pumps. Because there's power on our DC box right now. And the power is on. Things on, let's go test it. Light switch. They work. Diesel heater's working. So how do we? We have lights. We have lights. We did it right. Oh, we can turn this on. It works.
Oh my god.
Let's see if these work. We have lights.
Cool.
We've got lights. Woo! Okay, we gotta do all of them. Oh, this one's on.
Yay.
We got lights here. These lights are on too. Wow, those ones are freaking bright. Holy crap.
Look at that. That's awesome.
I know. So when we're like getting
Holy
ready,
shit.
right? Whoa. It looks so good. Okay, now dim them down. Yeah. Dim them up. Yes. We'll go ahead and... There it is. We have power. These ones all work. Jeremy just came and tested it. And we are good. We have freaking power. Chris is working on getting that diesel heater going right now, so we can have some heat. Woohoo! We also have heat. Yay!
The heater is working.
Finally,
So exciting.
we did it. So we got these lights. They are dimmable as well. So you just hold them, but you just pretty much tap it and then it turns the lights on. All of our outlets work. That works. This turns on. Our bedroom one turns on. So we officially have power in our home. And our heater's working and coming out some wonderfully hot heat, which feels amazing.
Celebratory. We have lights. Beer. This is the brightest it's ever been in here.
Alright guys, so the electrical works. We've tested out all the things. Fan works, which is great. Lights work, outlets work, heater work. It feels amazing. We have it set to like 86 degrees and it's heating up very nicely in here. As you can tell, I'm not wearing my coat like I normally am, which is I could cry. I literally could cry right now because this has been like a month and a half of us just constantly working, trying to get this up and running, and it's finally here. It's finally here. It's like all our hard work finally coming down to this moment, and it's here, and nothing blew up. It feels really good. Yeah, now we can start to move in. We got electrical. We can power up our bus. We can live in here. I'm really excited. Okay, bye guys. We will see you next week. This one's a little bit late. Sorry about that, but I really just wanted to be able to film this and get it out all in one video and not have to do too extended. We will see you probably not next week, but maybe the week after because of Christmas. So, okay, goodbye.